Ink. When your device starts to run low on ink, a message will appear on the screen advising black ink low. If you are on our proactive PrintWatch system, a replacement ink cartridge will already be on its way. If not, you will need to place an order with our customer service team. You will receive another message on the screen when the ink has actually run out, advising black ink empty. If you wish, the machine can be configured to send an email notification automatically when the ink is low, empty or both. To replace your ink, open the front panel of the device. Here you will see all of your ink across the top. On the front of the cartridge that needs to be replaced, push in to release it and remove it from the printer. This can then be placed into your recycling. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and place into the empty slot. Make sure you push all the way in to lock into place and then close the door.